The market doesn't give second chances. Winners here aren't the fastest, they are the most consistent.
Yeah. Say that I'm on the road. Maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking toll. Find me out here on my own.
I am the Fear. I've been trading for years strictly by technical analysis. No chaos, just clear rules and control. Over 20,000 traders have already joined my open Telegram channel, where I share free signals, break down the news, and give out proven strategies. If you're ready to grow, you know where to go. Link in the description. Join now, it's time to work. GBP JPY. Price has a strong upward move, but after hitting 205,488, a red candle started forming. A clear pullback after the impulse. Look like the top is set and profit taking has begun. RSI is near neutral, so there is still room to drop. I enter a 1-minute trade down. Classic entry after a peak reversal. Timing is key here. You want to catch it before the move becomes obvious to everyone. Want to trade calmly without guessing or noise? Private session, ready-made signals and personal support. Follow my trades and earn. It's that simple. Message me on Telegram. I'll help you get started. Link in the description. Trade closing profit, $55 turned into $102. Pullback played out perfectly. Price corrected as expected. GBP CAD. After a strong upward impulse, a short consolidation, price formed tight accumulation. RSI isn't overbought. Plenty of room for growth. I see clear continuation potential and enter up for 1 minute with $102. Want to trade without breaking your principles? Meet Profitex Robot, a smart assistant that trades only halal assets. Safe, reliable, and 24/7 active. Give around 200 accurate signals monthly with 86% success. Want to automate your trading? Message me on Telegram. I'll connect you. Link in the description. Let's get back to the chart. Perfect execution. Price shot up right after entry. Profit nearly $94. Sometimes these impulse continuations give the best opportunities if you enter right after a pause. EUR/USD was in a strong downtrend and a clear reversal pattern appeared. RSI left the overbought zone and started bending downward. Candle showed acceleration with no serious correction, a textbook short setup. I entered down with $196 for 1 minute. No need to wait for lagging confirmations. ZFX Robot, my new trading bot that analyzes the market and gives signals with up to 92% accuracy. No emotions, no delays, just clean entries. Support Forex, crypto, and stock 24/7. Signals, trade anytime. Turbo mode, get signals in 5 seconds. Asset rating shows where the action is. Want to try? Message me. I'll connect you today. Link in the description. Trade played out perfectly. $196 turned into $356 in 30 seconds. Pure profit. These moments come fast. Catch them before the market cools off. EUR/AUD price was climbing, but signs of slowdown appeared at the top. RSI approached the overbought zone. Candles started to weaken. Small bodies, upper wicks. I entered down with $357, expecting at least a short pullback. Want to start trading without spending months learning indicators? There is an easier way. Join my VIP channel with real-time trading session. Just follow my entries and earn. Message me on Telegram to get access. 240 signals monthly. Link in the description. Market dropped quickly after entry, and the trade landed right on target. Profit $328. Overbought level, showing momentum and local resistance. All lined up perfectly. 4 trades, and account grew from $55 to $685. First, GBP/JPY overheated price. Clean short, instant profit. Second, GBP/CAD, continuation move up, solid win. 3, EUR/USD, caught a clean drop, no surprises. Final EUR/AUD, resistance held, went short and chased in. No unnecessary risks, just well-planned entries. If you want the same, check out the Telegram channel, link in the description.